Yes, here we are. This is a special video just for you out there. Who's ever thought about safety razors and shaving? Who's thought about, well, maybe I'm gonna do it, maybe I'm not? Well, today I've chosen the dirt cheapest stuff for you to use. For you out there, wherever you are. Mongolia, Germany, Azerbaijan, Birmingham. So we're going to have a shave using really cheap stuff because the sun is really bright. So I do apologise, I can't even see anything. So, and it's like a moustache, like that. No. Anyway, so we're going to do a shave with the cheapest stuff. Let me show you what I'm going to shave with. It's down here. Are you ready? The Wilkinson Sword Classic. Now this is the classic. Comes with a pack of razors, 5. And it's a safety razor, not a cartridge razor. And it's £5. £5 from Sainsbury's. Let's have a look. So it's got, I've already taken it apart, sorry. And I put a razor in because otherwise it would just be rubbing your face with plastic. So it's not light because there's metal in there. You can feel the metal. It's like a rod going down the middle inside, and when I shake it I can feel it. This top bit is plastic. It's a 2-piece, and it's got like, where on earth does it undo? I can't remember. How do you do this? I can't remember. Oh goodness. I can't even remember how I got the blooming thing undone. Yeah, so here we go. So there you go, it comes apart, 2-piece. Razor on the top. Sits in there. Then this bit screws down to a point, and then you do the whole thing up. It sits in the little grooves for one razor. Just make sure that's all right and I haven't cut my hand. So it does feel cheap, but if you want to try it out and step into using a safety razor and see the wonders of this world, this is your vehicle, metaphorically. So, also, we're using Wilkinson Sword shaving soap. This was bought in Sainsbury's, £2. I've reviewed this previously and it actually smells quite nice. It's like a fresh, soapy smell. Why wouldn't you? So, that's my shaving soap. And I don't even need to use my lovely bowl that I bought for £2. I don't know what you're going to use that for, other than putting shaving cream in. So I've been soaking my brush, which is a Wilkinson Sword brush that I bought. I think it was £4. £4. So looking at this, the blades are, you get 10 for about £3. The best in the world of feather blades, apparently. They're about £4 for a pack, £3 for a pack. So my wife has done some maths that I've totally forgotten, but it's something along the lines of, I think she said, so you need about, if you're shaving every other day, so for a year, it's about a tenner, roughly, something like that. Do the math. And these are proper razors, not just bits of razors stuck on the front of a cartridge. These are proper razors. Okay, so for pre-shave, I didn't really have anything, so I bought this electric pre-shave, which was $2.99 in Boots. Really cheap. Let's whack that on the face. It doesn't feel particularly oily. God, it smells like my granddad's. Hearty smell. There we go. So I've already had a good old soak in the warm water to allow for my skin to accustom to this. And we're going to lather up with this. So another week's gone by. And gentlemen, you're shaving. Ladies, you're shaving as well. Perhaps ladies shave more than men. We shave just our faces, unless you're a cosmopolitan sort of chap. And ladies shave a little bit more, which I won't go into, because that's a little bit personal. So, you know, maybe ladies, you're the experts at shaving. Maybe you are. Granted, you don't use your face. Well, unless, you know, hormones. So just doing this. Right, we're going to slap it on. I mean, that smells really nice. If you're going to step into shaving, proper safety razor, if you want to experience what your grandfather and your great-grandfather experienced, and the design is far, in my opinion, far better than cartridge razors. Why not get this? Because then you can experience what your grandfather used. You don't need to use special stuff, it's just a razor attached to a contraption of some sort. And I've ordered something very special which I'm looking forward to doing a review on as soon as it comes through, which at the moment it says the 24th. Very excited. Oh, I went right in my mouth. There we are, look at that. Look. Work it on. It's a bit thin. Sometimes it just does it. But mainly when I'm on camera, it doesn't. There we go. Slapping it on the face. And on my top. We're going to do one pass today. And I always say that and then end up doing more. But I literally had a shave yesterday. So, excuse me. Okay. So here we go. See what this is like. It feels light. I mean, I like the heavy feel of the metal on a safety razor. That's just my preference, I think. I don't like the kind of loose feeling, light feeling. You have to push a bit. But it's doing the thing. Just going to do the other side. It's doing the thing. Taking time to change over the sides. Take it gumped up. Could do it. There, one side. I have to really concentrate if you've got a beard, because you could easily just lose one side of the beard and then you're stuffed. Right, let's do underneath. Feels alright. It's kind of leaving a lot behind. Now that may be, forgive me, I'm not an expert in terms of the design stuff, But if the blade is being held in place by a plastic, and the blade's really thin, like almost paper thin, then the plastic's, I presume, is not going to be holding it tight across. So I'm not sure. I mean, that's not too bad. As a safety razor, that's not bad. I could do worse. So if you're travelling around, I mean, that's alright. Let's rinse it off. Ow. Towel. So there you go. Oh, one more thing. Another thing that was £2 is Boots Original Bay Rum. Now again, you may be thinking, Grandad, but now that doesn't smell too bad. It's kind of like clovey, spicy rum. I believe it's made from rum. It's not advisable to drink it, but I think in the past that was an issue for those seeking medicinal support. So that was £2. £2. £4. So that's 6. The soap, £2. That's 8. The razor, £5. 13. And the pre-shave that I don't think really did an awful lot. Probably avoid it. It's £2. £15. For £15 and 5 razors, I could shave. So each razor will last roughly 5 shaves, proper like shave times. So once a week, if you're like over the top. And just work out the math for that. And each razor is like, so £3 for a pack of 10. It's pretty cheap. So this, for £15, could set you up into the world of safety razors. Come join us. Join us. Shaving. Come join us. Don't just stay there. Don't just keep staying there with the electric razor or the cartridge razor. Come join us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and goodbye.